This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV 24/7.
मेरी खुशी है कहाँ?
Silence speaks 1,000 words. This belongs to the millions being forcibly silenced. NDTV and Vedanta have launched a nationwide campaign in dynamic support of the cause of the girl child, rapidly disappearing from our census count. Battling rampant infanticide, feticide, gender bias, abuse and violence, their survival rate remains bleak. The campaign has decided to concentrate on the cause of girls in the 0 to 5 years age bracket, concentrating on nutrition, education, health and fundraising.
Really want to prosper, if you really want to make our nation great, no child, especially the girls, to be deprived of food, education and their health.
We are one of the youngest countries in the world, and our children are our future, and the girls are a very important part of that.
The key is men are the problem, women are the solution.
Join the movement, lead our girls to a safe future and a future that secures their voice.
This is NDTV Vedanta, Our Girls, Our Pride campaign kicking off in its first leg. Over the course of this episode, we'll be bringing you stories, opinions and people from across the country lending their voice to this campaign. Currently, we are here in the national capital where hundreds of students have gathered, picked up their painting brushes and will be expressing through this form of art. So let's go straight to where the action is.
Select City Walk was agog with activity. As part of the Our Girls, Our Pride campaign, a motley crew of artists from various art institutions had gathered to put forth their views through their art on this burning issue. Joining them, a host of children from some of Delhi's top schools and NGOs. If the cues were anything to go by, we knew that this was going to be a whole lot of fun. The atmosphere was electric, and the kids and artists alike had their creative hats on. In their honest endeavour, they had some serious support from some of the bigwigs of the world of fashion and art, including designer Leena Singh and artist extraordinaire Anjali Ella Menon.
Well, yet another beautiful painting and those beautiful strokes being coming across, yet another inspirational work here, where we are encouraging more and more people to come out, talk about the issue of the girl child, talking about how our daughters really are our pride. And joining me, someone very, very special, yeah, Anjali. Aren't you really enjoying this entire atmosphere?
This is amazing, such a vibrant atmosphere and so much energy.
Yeah.
And I think it's a wonderful initiative. We have hung our heads in shame internationally because the ratio is so bad.
I wanted to talk to you about that. You know, Delhi has always been known, when December 16 gang rape happened, everybody came out on the streets, everybody was talking about what needs to be done. Perhaps this is the first step. Procure the child at the womb, respect the child, respect the girl child there, and that's where perhaps you can take it forward from there.
Yes, unfortunately there's a lot in our own scriptures that are not very good for our gender understanding. Many of our heroines have been treated badly in the scriptures. But I think we have to break those old taboos and look into the future, because girls are doing so well.
Yeah.
If you look at our exams, the girls are the toppers. If you look at in every walk of life how well the women are doing, from pilots to doctors to lawyers.
And perhaps all of this will give them more inspiration, come out, encourage them, even to the most. And you know, when these campaigns like these go across to the remote corners of the country, that really sends across the message.
That's the message, because now, especially in certain states where the ratio is particularly bad, I think this kind of initiative will certainly, I don't have much hope for the present generation. I think it's almost too late. But for this new young generation, all these vibrant young kids, they will certainly grow up with a different frame of mind.
While the porch was busy, the parking lot in the basement was about to get a wholesome makeover. The Delhi Wall Project and their assembly of graffiti artists made murals on the walls of the parking lot. And boy, did they give this place a whole new look.
Around 80 walls here really, and everybody, if you can see around me, has got one wall trying to paint them with some inspiration, something which inspires them.
Back upstairs, we saw an overwhelming turnout from NGOs like the Smile Foundation and Pratham. Children from these institutions were clearly enjoying their day out in the sun. Nandi Cha Foundation gave out their signature saplings to the kids, adding a stroke of green to our day. The support extended by these foundations helped make the event a grand success. As the day came to a close, we were joined by celebrated artist Paresh Maiti, who initially came to support the cause. But to our surprise, he said he found inspiration in our cause and picked up his brush to paint us something very special.
Joining me, someone very, very special. Hi Paresh, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Well, Paresh, let me introduce you as one of the best artists that we have in the country. No words for that. And you're going to just take your first master stroke. What are you going to paint today?
It is a girl I'm going to paint because they are very special in our society, and because of the girl I'm here today. So I would like to paint the girl.
You want to paint a girl. Tell me what really goes behind when you start up with the painting, with the flat. I mean, I see this is absolutely blank right now. What inspires you to really kind of take that first stroke, go out and do something beautiful?
People, places, nature, and everything.
Okay, let you paint now. Let's see how this really goes about. And let's have a quick marathon. What is the quickest time you've ever painted finished a painting?
That's very, very difficult to say. It depends with the time, with the mood, with the, So you really cannot say that, well, this time you'll be able to finish, you know.
And have you seen the beautiful paintings which rest of the artists are doing here? Some very young people also really coming out.
Very talented, and I was wondering that this morning around 8 o'clock, they have started and they are nearly going to finish. And that's amazing. And I was just telling, some people that why don't you ask these people to paint the whole of India? All the dirty walls, we have. So why can't we do that?
Well, what an absolutely brilliant day all of us have had here to bring to you one of the most inspirational pieces. I'm leaving you with this, one of my favorites here, of a little girl looking into the mirror, looking to really have something to see a future for herself, something we hope every girl in the country really gets to become. And what an absolute incredible day. We've got amateur artists come and paint in hundreds of numbers, some 80 walls here, and the best message is the fact that all these walls are going to remain this way, and next time you come around to Select City Walk, you're going to have all these messages still here intact, inspiring you even then. Well, we've had an incredible day. Hopefully, the message has gone across to you as well.
Coming up, we take you to the city of lakes, Udaipur, where the children have their own message to give.
If there are no girls, there will be no boys.
मेरी खुशी है कहाँ?
Our girls, our pride. Khushi, a Vedanta initiative brought to you by Vedanta.
Ciao, Nini.
मेरा भाई.
Hi, Patsy.
Jumbo!
G'day, Cowboy.
Dude!
Look what the cat dragged in.
Eduardo Lucas. Oh,
Hello, Mama. Namaste.
Wrong number?
Let me talk.
Bye, Zoom. Привет. This is Dr. Flamenco.
हम लोग आर्टिस्ट हैं। कौन आर्टिस्ट? कल्टी नहीं मारते हैं, पलटी मारते हैं।
Nature's goodness, gathered over 20 years in the Himalayas. Himalayan natural mineral water. Live natural.
It's a long chain, and every generation is a link. You, your children, and your parents. They were there before you, and they will be there after you too. For generations to come.
गुजरे हुए कल की यादें पुराने गानों की तरह होती हैं। जितना भी सुने जी नहीं भरता। क्लब महिंद्रा में मुझे मिले वो मैजिकल मोमेंट्स जिन्होंने हमारी पुरानी यादों को दिया एक्शन रिप्ले का मौका। क्या आप नहीं खेलेंगे? क्लब महिंद्रा, मेक एवरी मोमेंट मैजिकल।
Rover Sport. Land Rover, above and beyond.
Pollution mask? ये देख। ये क्या हो रहा है?
पोल्यूशन मास्क टीवी पे आना है तो आपको भी पहनना पड़ेगा।
मगर क्यों?
क्योंकि टीवी के पिक्चर में पोल्यूशन होता है ना।
पिक्चर में पोल्यूशन?
अपने टीवी के सिग्नल से पोल्यूशन हटाओ। डिमांड टू हैव वीडियोकॉन D2H असली HD
For the cleanest, freshest, clearest pictures.
अब एयर में पोल्यूशन होना हो, ऑन एयर नहीं होगा।
मेरी खुशी है कहाँ?
With your support, we can change this. Let's pledge to make every girl child the luckiest girl in the world.
We are in Udaipur at the DPS school. The children are all painting their little bit. Our girls, our pride is the theme. And the DPS children have got a lovely little choir lined up for us. So there they are on the stage and they are singing a welcome song for this Vedanta NDTV Girl Child campaign. I must emphasize the fact that we are here in a small town in Udaipur because, you know, Rajasthan is a state where you have a very bad record on girl child. You have 38% dropout from school. You have child marriages. We have covered a lot of that in our Vedanta campaign. And of course, we have these little boys who are doing a little painting here. So let me ask this little fellow what he's doing. Okay, can you show me your painting? Can you show your painting to the camera? His painting is quite ready. What does your painting say? क्या बोल रहा है
ये ऐसा बोल रहा है कि ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए. Go girls, education for you all.
Yes, very good. So his painting says, "Go girls, education for you all," and that's really, really, really important because, as I said, Rajasthan has the highest rate of dropouts of girls, and it's something they really need to do something about. Now, here's another young man, and let me ask him what his inspiration is. आप बताइए आपका inspiration क्या है? ये जो आप बना रहे हो painting, this hand that you're making, what is it?
That the rate of girls' education is very less in the Rajasthan, so we must do something to promote it.
Now this one here, I think this is about female feticide. Am I right? This is about female feticide?
Yes.
What's your message?
That we should save girls.
Why is that important?
If there are no girls, there will be no boys.
Okay. So that's a good slogan that she's given. If there are no girls, there will be no boys. Now let me ask this little boy here, what is this that you've made here?
It is talking about the Khushi school, that the small girl child should go school.
Why is it important for the small girl child to go to school?
She can start her career and make the world more educated.
Very good. I have some of the older girls who are doing some really, really wonderful works of art. Show me your painting. What does it say?
Everyone was believing that girls are not important in our society, but without girls there is no future.
Okay. So as you can see, kids bringing out their creative breasts, and along with their paintings, they're also giving us an important message, a message that we should listen to. There's been a lot of activity happening here apart from the children. We have some very eminent artists from Udaipur. They are people who are part of the vibrant art tradition in Udaipur. Let me tell you that Udaipur has a very vibrant tradition of miniature paintings. Of course, these are modern artists, they're award-winning artists, and they have been exhibiting not only in Rajasthan but also elsewhere in the country and even abroad. So let's go across and see what they have contributed to Our Girls, Our Pride, the NDTV Vedanta campaign. ये तिरंगा बहुत अच्छा मोटिव लिया है आपने. भारतीय जो हमारा फ्लैग है, हमारा जो राष्ट्रीय ध्वज है, उसके कलर्स क्यों चुने आपने?
क्योंकि कहीं तो आना चाहिए ना वो फीलिंग कि ये मेरा देश है, मेरा देश जो दूसरे देशों के कंपैरेटिव नहीं, हमारी यहाँ की लड़की भी बहुत आगे है. इसलिए मैं इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाह रहा था कि नहीं, हमारी लड़कियाँ अब पूरे देश में, दुनिया में बराबर से अब वो लड़ रही है, वो और आगे आ रही है.
इसमें मैंने एक बच्ची को बनाया है और उसमें खुशी के लिए मैंने इसके अंदर बहुत, उसके चेहरे में काफ़ी फ्लावर्स बनाए हैं गोल्डन, वो भी, और थोड़ा सा ये बैकग्राउंड में जो है इंडियन अपना दिखे उसके लिए मैंने रेड, ग्रीन और वाइट कलर यूज़ किया है. और ये एक सिंबॉलिक वे में है कि हमें प्राउड है गर्ल पर, और
थम्स अप टू द गर्ल चाइल्ड,
और लाइक करना उसको, मतलब बच्चियों को लाइक करें सबसे, सभी लोग, मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. उसके लिए मैंने थोड़ा एक मोटिव लिया.
आँखों से आंसू चुन ले, हाथों से तारे गिन ले, तेरा चेहरा भी मुस्कुराएगा.
Thank you, lovely song. So what a beautiful song there from Vedanta, Our Girls, Our Pride campaign, and I have with me Pawan Kaushik, who's the anchor for the Khushi campaign. Pawan ji, बहुत ही सुंदर गाना था. Explain to me, what was it?
सी तेरी खुशी से बढ़कर मेरी खुशी है कहा, छुपा लूँ आंचल में तुझको कि तू छू ले जहाँ। बेसिकली हम ये खुशी जो है कि ये कम्युनिकेशन कैंपेन है। जैसे हम जानते हैं कि भारत में दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली एवरी थर्ड ग्लोबल मेल नरिश चाइल्ड इज इन इंडिया। हर तीसरा कुपोषित बच्चा भारत में है। तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि वी वांट दैट दिस कैंपेन शुड ग्रो अप, पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट दीज डिप्राइव्ड अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड चिल्ड्रन दे नीड अटेंशन।
We saw those wonderful, wonderful paintings that those children had done with such creativity and with such a strong message, such a sensitive message coming from children so young.
So as I have written, no girl, so no mother, ultimately no life. If there will be no girl, then there will be no mother. Ultimately life will not exist.
He is a very special young man and he has made this painting. कैसे बनाया है आपने?
मैं अपने पैरों से इसको बनाया है।
हाँ। क्या संदेश है आपकी पेंटिंग में?
मेरा तो यही संदेश है कि मतलब ये लड़कियों को हमारे तरफ से उनको सम्मान मिलना चाहिए, उनको आगे बढ़ने का मौका देना चाहिए।
So those were some of those marvelous paintings that the children have done. Of course, everyone has done a great job, but some of the children have been specially selected for a prize. And it's important to remember that all the messages that the children did, all of them are important, and all the efforts, all the little hands that join together, they will all go and get together and add up to make this world a better place. See children having lots and lots of fun at this event, the NDTV Vedanta Our Girls Our Pride campaign, and that's an inspiring song. The children have done some wonderful paintings today, and now it's time to have some fun.
Our girls are bright.
Our girls are bright.
मेरी खुशी है कहाँ?
ये कही कि नीतीश ये जल जाएंगे ना इस साल। नाउ व्हाई आर यू गेटिंग एंग्री? फॉर 8 years you light the same lights, then what do you expect? और फालतू का पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करना डजंट मीन यू नेवर लाइट एनीथिंग न्यू। वो बीजेपी की लाइट देखो और वो कांग्रेस की देखो, क्या झिलमिल झिलमिल सांझ से जल रही है। दिवाली है यार।
देखिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि देन यू शुड हैव गॉट न्यू लाइट्स ना।
मी या आई हैव।
अच्छा
हाँ
कहाँ है?
हम कह रहे हैं ना कि हम लेके आए।
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि दीजिए ना।
ये लो नई लाइट। हैप्पी दिवाली यार।
इस दिवाली एक नई शुरुआत करें। द थर्ड फ्रंट कमिंग सून।
भारतीय एक्सा ने बदला है जीवन सुरक्षा का नजरिया अपनी डेडिकेटेड क्लेम्स हैंडलर से।
अब आपके क्लेम सेटलमेंट प्रोसेस को सरल बनाने में हम आपकी सहायता करेंगे।
तभी तो एक्सा दुनिया के बेहतरीन इंश्योरेंस कंपनियों में से एक है। अब डेडिकेटेड क्लेम्स हैंडलर की सुविधा नए सिक्योर इनकम प्लान पर भी उपलब्ध है। भारतीय एक्सा, जीवन सुरक्षा का नया नजरिया।
Ajnara Group presents Ajnara Panorama facing the F1 track. Ajnara, peace of mind.
Pick
everybody wishes best performance of the week.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम नॉन स्टॉप पारे आज की पारे सेलिब्रेशन तेरे नाम रघुपति राघव राजा राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
बच्चों के बढ़ते कदम वक्त की तरह होते हैं, जितना भी पीछे दौड़ लो आगे ही चले जाते हैं। क्लब महिंद्रा ने दिए मेरी फैमिली को वो मैजिकल मोमेंट्स जिससे वक्त थोड़ी देर के लिए थम गया। आप नहीं रोकेंगे वक्त को। क्लब महिंद्रा, मेक एवरी मोमेंट मैजिकल।
टाटा डोकोमो एंड नोकिया प्रेजेंट जल्दी दिवाली।
This Diwali, get special offers from Tata Docomo on every new Nokia.
वो अभी भी ट्रैफिक में फंसी हुई है।
अंदाज से सब कुछ कहे क्या बात है जिंदगी, नजरें सब तुझ पर रुके कुछ खास है जिंदगी, मंजिलें भी संग चल पड़े मुस्कान है जिंदगी, आसमां से भी आगे बढ़े अंदाज है जिंदगी।
शादी करोगे मुझसे?
Presenting the all-new passion from Hero, style का cool अंदाज।
तुम मेरी दुनिया सजाती हो, घर को घर बनाती हो, कभी हमको सिखाती हो, कभी खुद भूल जाती हो, घर को घर बनाती हो, कभी नखरे उठाती हो, कभी हौसला बढ़ाती हो, तुम हर पल को स्पेशल बनाती हो, घर को घर बनाती हो।
हम सिर्फ घर बनाते हैं, आप उसमें खुशियां बसाते हैं। सुपरटेक।
That's why the sunroof is open.
Yeah, Teddy did it.
Better the features, bigger the story. The new Skoda Octavia. Skoda, simply clever.
We're all so different. That's how it should be. 'Cause I'm not you, and you are not me. 'Cause I'm not you, and you.
Each one of us uses our phone differently. That's why my plan. The first ever postpaid plan that's created by me, for me.
This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV 24/7.